Hey y'all, so I'm back with another shoe review. Today we are going to review the Air Jordan 5 Retro Black Metallics. So these came out July 23rd of 2016. Of course, I copped them via StockX. Now, on StockX, I tell you, you can buy them straight out for the prices. Like I said, a person has to have the shoe first off. So there will be no person with a shoe. You can't buy it at all. You can't bid at all. Or there would be numerous people, one person with a shoe. So you'll see numerous prices or numerous bids or whatever. So this shoe, I forgot how much it was, but I know I bid $175 and I forgot all about it. And then next thing you know, you get an alert, your bid has been accepted. It's like, what bid? Like what shoe did I bid on? And you go look and it's like, oh, okay. But still, it's like, I mean, I'm happy I had the money in my account. I mean, I'm happy I got the shoe, but I definitely forgot all about it. So I always say that Jordan 5s and Jordan 6s, they run big. And I have like a big, wide, manly woman foot. So the fact that I'm able, and now my foot is moved up to a 7.5 in men. So the fact that these do run a little bigger, I can get these grade school in a 7. The 5s, I can get them in a 7. And the 6s, I can get them in a 7 because they run kind of big. So maybe you should go try it in the store first. That's what I did. I went to Foot Locker and I tried them on first in grade school in a 7, and it was nice and comfy. And I was like, what? Then I checked on StockX. Well, not with these, but it was a different pair of 5s. And I checked on StockX and they were about $15 cheaper, $20 cheaper, about $35 cheaper. So I bought them via StockX. But let's look at these. Now, these are black with the gummy bottom, with the black sole, with the metallic silver, as you can see it, with the red, the fire red. So we have the fire red Jumpman, we have the fire red with the pull string, and then that's it as far as the fire red. Well, and we also have the fire red this side with the Air Jordan. But we have a clear gummy bottom, and if you look, you can see the white in the sole. So we have the white / gummy bottom sole with the black midsole with the air bubbles. Now, oxidation. Now my ex, he was a shoe connoisseur, and there's red also in the shoe. He was a shoe connoisseur, so he would tell me as far as like with the 11s, mostly with the 11s. I didn't think it would happen with something like this. He was like, yeah, they usually turn kind of yellowish due to oxidation. Even if you just keep them in the box, sooner or later they're going to turn kind of yellowish. And it's like, what? The little bottom. And it's like, I believe this is what has happened here. Oxidation. And I mean, what can I do? Because it was supposed to be clear like the gummy bottom. But what I saw in all the other pictures, and from, I believe my ex has this shoe. That's what made me want it as well. He popped up with the fly shoes, and I don't recall his being yellowish like this. This is probably why the person got rid of him. They saw that it was oxidation now, but it's all right. We're gonna deal with it. We're gonna wear it today. It clearly matches, so that's what we're doing. But look, we have all black shoe, suede. It's clean. This mug clean. It wasn't worn. It's fly. They were trying to hold it. You know what I'm saying? So we have the fire red. Some fire red. Black all around, white, silver, Nike, black midsole, white sole with the gummy bottom around it. I like shoes, man. Shoes are fly. Shoes are cool. We rocking these today, so you know I had to get this video out the way before I wore them and do the on foot things like that. We'll pop out the other shoe. Today was the algae juice though. This is apple, celery, cucumber pear. So, I mean, celery and cucumber, they add a bit of freshness to it, and they're also supposed to help with your immune system and just help knock out the mucus and keep you healthy at all times. Now the apple and the pear, I add that just to make it kind of sweet. I mean, because celery and cucumber, I mean celery period. Have you ever drank anything with celery in it? I'm pretty sure you haven't. So that's where we come with the apple and the cucumber. And I mean, it's tasty. I make it all tasty because I like tasty stuff. I'm not going to give y'all anything that's disgusting because I don't like disgusting things. And remember, seems like I gotta let y'all know every time StockX, they don't do refunds. They don't want to give you a refund, not at all. So just in case you get a shoe that's bad or worn, keep this on. Send them a picture of this in the email with the pictures of whatever the issue is. If it's some scuffs, scratches, salt, you know what I'm saying, dirt, they done wore it. Make sure you don't cut this off until you have really examined your shoe and you know that you're going to keep this shoe and it is what it is. Because this is what they're going to ask for. And even in the box it says, don't cut this off until you're sure. Don't cut it off if you're dealing with StockX until you're sure. So, you know, I've been wanting these. I looked up on these. 2019, they came out, like I said, July 23rd, 2016. I bid 175 plus the 13.95, so it was like 188.95. And it's cool. I've been hopping up on my fives. So we are about to get into the on foot for y'all. Flat out. And that's the end of our little video. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all download StockX. Everybody be trying to, you know, I don't really know if it's real or not. I'm telling y'all, they're coming from other people. So you don't know. You don't know if it's been worn and just been cleaned really well. You don't know if it's fake. You don't. They get sent to the authentication place. They get checked out, and it seems like sometimes they get fucked up and not really paid attention to, depending on who's working, seeing that I got those worn pair of sixes. But every other pair I've gotten have been valid. You know what I'm saying? Every other pair of shoes I've gotten from StockX have been valid. So, I mean, go on there and try it for yourself. Order a pair, see how you feel. You could sell a pair. You know, make sure they're dead stock, they're not worn, and boom. So just try it out. Try it out. StockX is definitely where it's at. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back with more shoes because I like fly kicks. I definitely do. Time for on foot, y'all.